Hello, I hope you are doing so good. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your website content, image, or other things in WordPress. So first of all, you need to go to your website, then just type here /wp admin, and then you need to be add your username, enter username and password. Then you can select this one, remember me, and just click here the login. After you successfully log your website, then you can see your dashboard like this type of. There you can see the all of the information, the backend part like dashboard, post, media, pages, comment, Elementor, template, or other things. Suppose, for example, you want to be change your website homepage content. You just need to be go visit site, and here I want to be change. For example, I want to change this section or premium to or something other like that. So you need to be click just edit with Elementor. It will take some time. Now you can see you can select this structure and I want to be change this our premium to or something like that. I just select this on like our services. So this is the way you can change your website content, and also you want to be also change this here. Just click here, and you can see in the left side the title. Here you can type anything what you want, and that is the same way you can change also this text content. Just click here, and here is the content. You can also add or delete and something. You can add this here, and you can also change the images like that. Just click the section. You can see able to the in the structure section. There is the container, and they have a sub image. Just select the image, and here you can see the all of the image we previously uploaded already this here. So I can easily click here and select the image. It will be changed, and then you can be also upload by any image on your PC or desktop. Then you just need to select the upload file. Just select here, and also you can see this is the file. You can also add by yourself. So this is the way you can upload any kind of images on your website. I do not want to be publish this one, and I want to be change the hotel and villas pages. So I need to go this page. After that, I need to be select the edit with Elementor. Sorry, it will take some time to loading this page. So after the load the image, then I can change by easily the content. Like I just select this one, and I can see the 17 guest, and I need to be changed the 100 guest this here. And also if I have any kind of link, then I can put this here. Suppose I want to be add this link, just copy and paste. And this is the same way you can change also everything in your part, and you can also change the images this here. And here is the FAQ section. You can also change this content. Just click here, and you can see here is the title. This is the title. Sorry, this is the description, and this is the title. What service does SP dot. So after we complete your modification, then you can just select the published, and it will automatically publish these pages. I don't want to be change anything right now. And also I want to be change, for example, like contact page. Just click with hit with Elementor, and here you can see here is the your description, location, phone number. Here is your phone number, and here is the mail part. You can also change the design, and you can also change the background image. Like you need to be select the first container, This is the first content. When you select the first content, then you can see this here, the alignment look like that. When you click the second one, you can see the second alignment is some border radius. Look, I don't know how's the call. So I need to select the container. Then you can see the style part. Go to the image, choose image, and I want to be change this like this car. Then you need to be select the display size is cover. So this is the way you can change my background image. So select this here and reload. I do not want to be published this here. So this is the way you can change by your website content, background image. You can also change the images, background image, fronted image, everything. So if you need any kind of question, then you can ask me on chat box. Okay. Thank you.